overtaken a tractor? Anyone going to overtake the tractor, do you think?
Okay.
Doesn't look at you. And look for those scenarios as well, mate. Think of any other vehicles that people would probably... Buses, yeah. What about milk floats?
Yeah.
I saw one of them this morning. And there was a little bit of a queue behind it, so it could be them as well. Learners, do people overtake learners?
Yes.
Absolutely, you got. So look for the obvious things that people are going to overtake and feel impatient to then maybe overtake at a silly time and put you in danger. Try and look for that and try and work with it as well. Good. I can deal with this, yeah, good, well done, sorted. How much brake as we get to 30? Good. Yeah, well done. Anyone overtaking the cyclist? Good. That's another scenario, isn't it? Yeah, that we're looking out for, just like the tractor from before.